No, no, no. Thank you so much.
No, come on.
No, it's okay. Yeah. Oh,
This is ready for you.
thank you so much.
First of all, before getting Christian marriage, we have a Mizo marriage.
Okay.
It's called Manlan. Amika.
來唔啦，係傻 feel 咯。
Thank you. Happy Valentine's Day. तो आज है वैलेंटाइंस डे और मैं अभी अपने होटल से निकला ही था एंड आई रैंडमली बम्प्ड इनटू वन गाय जो मुझे बाद में पता चला कि मिजोरम के एक फेमस यूट्यूबर ही हैं। नो 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 थैंक यू सो मच।
No, come on.
नो इट्स ओके।
Anh nghe cái này con thì cặp vai mét sẽ tiếp cặp bùa kìa.
You have to accept it no matter
You
what.
have to accept it.
इट्स ओके।
No,
यू हैव
to
आस्क्ड मी
accept
दैट्स
it.
इनफ।
You have to accept it. Which one do you want?
नो नो आई इट्स ओके।
You have to accept it.
प्लीज डोंट।
A guy from Punjab. Come on. Choose
नो इट्स
one.
ओके। यू हैव आस्क्ड मी ना दैट्स इनफ।
No, please accept one of these.
नो 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 इट्स ओके।
If you don't accept, I'm gonna be angry.
It's part of Punjab. Are you?
पटियाला पटियाला।
Patiala.
या
Patiala,
या या।
come on, choose one.
नो
You have to choose one.
यू हैव आस्क्ड मी दैट्स इनफ।
You have to.
You have to like accept it no matter
Yes.
what, because this is the kind of the hospital. Get it.
This is my hospitality.
I just have one class. Okay, thank you so much.
No. We have to take a picture together.
Yeah,
Come on. You look like a stud. Marie, wait! Hello!
we'll meet again. Okay, thank you so much for the hospitality. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
see you.
Have a
Bye.
good day, have a good
Yeah, thank you. Bye. What are these?
Octopus.
Okay. How much is the price?
200.
Okay, and this one?
100 and 500. 100.
Okay, prawns.
Yes.
Okay, and this one?
Crab leg.
Huh?
Crab leg.
Oh, I don't know what it is. Can you tell me the name again? Spelling?
Crabclaw. CRABCLAW.
Okay, thank you so much. This is my first time in Mizoram. I'm liking it.
Dâu chấm chết nhầm.
Huh?
Dâu chấm chết nhầm.
Okay, thank you, bye.
Okay, thank you. You can choose 2 videos.
Huh?
You can choose 2 videos
Okay,
within 7 minutes.
7 minutes. Okay, I'll choose.
This one is alien shooting game. Spaceship battle. Robot shoot. Fish shoot. Alien and robot shoot.
Okay, ocean
Ocean adventure.
and star. Which one is good? You suggest me.
This one is. This one is.
This one is good.
Alien
And
shoot.
I can choose 2 now.
You can choose 2, but this one is games and you can choose. You can also choose movies, videos.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Traveling around.
This one is good, na? Okay. So I'll choose this one. Yeah.
This one and this one, okay?
Okay. Yeah. Oh,
This is ready for you.
thank you so much.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. बस फिर थोड़ा घूम फिर के मैं वापस होटल आ जाता हूँ जहाँ डॉली मैम इनवाइटेड मी टू जॉइन हर वैलेंटाइंस डे पार्टी। शी इज़ ए वंडरफुल होस्ट एंड उन्होंने बताया कि डेविड्स किचन जो उनका रेस्टोरेंट है इज़ अमंग द ओल्डेस्ट रेस्टोरेंट ऑफ आइजॉल। उनके साथ बातचीत बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग और नॉलेजेबल होती थी।
हेलो मैम,
Hi. good
Happy
evening.
Valentine's Day.
Same to you.
थैंक यू सो मच। हेलो एवरीबॉडी।
Happy Valentine's Day. Hi.
नाइस टू मीट यू ऑल ऑफ यू।
Same. Same to you. Same to you. Same to you.
मैम, यू वर सेइंग समथिंग अबाउट लाइक मीजो कल्चर एंड ऑल, है ना? यू वर सेइंग वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ, सो कैन यू टेल मी?
Yeah, it's very different from other states.
Yeah.
Very much. Like, actually, first of all, before getting Christian marriage, we have a Mizo marriage.
Okay.
It's called Mandlan. Amika.
Mandlan.
Yeah. Anything more?
It's a Mizo culture.
Hmm.
It's called Mandlan.
Yeah.
Okay.
The bridegroom's side of the family have to pay money.
Oh,
That is 420 rupees
okay.
to the bride's family. And that is the only way that they are going to get married.
Okay.
That is the first stage of getting married.
Okay.
So, they bring the families together, the bridegroom side and the bride side, and then there's a ceremony for that. So, the bridegroom's family comes with the money and hands it over to the bride's family.
Okay.
And then the bride's family receives the money.
Okay.
And then that, let's say tomorrow they're getting married, right? The day before, yes, that ceremony happens, right? And so after they handed over the money, the bride is finally sold to the bridegroom's family.
Sold.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's-
This is the
I
original
know.
word.
Yeah. Sold.
No, sold is not a good word, but
No, but it is
it
sold.
is. It's a Mizo tradition. It's Mizo
Okay.
tradition, yes. We don't feel bad about it at all.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's 420 rupees.
420
Yeah.
only.
Fix.
Okay. But there is no like dowry system like
No,
it
no,
happened.
no, not
Nothing
at
like
all.
that, na?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
good, yeah.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
The bride is going to go to the bridegroom's house, right? To stay there, live with his family.
Okay.
And so 420 rupees, right? They paid for the bride. But the groom side gives the 20 rupees back to the bride
Why?
because she is finally married to their son.
Okay.
For that, she
Okay.
receives the other 20. It's
Okay,
just
okay.
a tradition,
Okay,
nothing
okay.
more. Oh.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Then after that, we do a Christian marriage in the church.
Okay.
That's it for 1 hour.
and you were also saying na ki she can like choose between like different grooms and all,
Oh,
है ना?
actually, it's Nularim.
Yes.
Nularim.
Nularim, yes. The men folk, let's say, yes, the boys also go to the girl's place
Okay.
just to sit there and chat with the family,
Okay.
have tea or something. That is the tradition
Okay.
before like getting into a relationship.
Okay.
That is, let's say,
Before getting
way
into
of
relationship.
respecting women.
Okay.
Men's way of respecting women, showing their respect to the girl or women.
Okay.
There may be a 1 person, 2 person at a time, no problem. So
Yes.
yeah, from girl side there is no
They
issues.
the boys cannot like get angry or fight over each other.
Oh.
They have to accept it because
Okay.
she's not taken yet,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So she can choose. Like
Yes, she
it's
can
just like
choose.
swambar जैसे हम बोलते थे, है ना? Swambar.
स्वयंवर कुछ अलग है,
हाँ.
ये कुछ अलग है. दिस इज लाइक एक लड़की के पास 4 लड़के भी जा सकते हैं नुलारिम करने के लिए.
Okay.
तो यू कैन नॉट से कि दिस इज माई गर्ल, आई चूज हर, मैं इसका पसंद करती हूँ तो तुम मत आओ. यू कैन नॉट से दैट क्योंकि अभी तक वो मनलान नहीं हुआ है.
Okay.
सो दैट इट्स कॉल्ड नुलारिम, नो. तो
Okay.
एक लड़की के पास 4-5 लड़के भी आ सकते हैं to choose. तो कोई
Okay.
लड़का नाराज नहीं हो सकते हैं.
Okay, okay.
She need to say that. Right?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course.
yeah.
That's what I meant.
Very interesting.
It's
And
too
what
interesting.
more?
Yeah.
What else do you want to know?
Ma'am, can you show your face?
Finally.
Ma'am, you have a beautiful face.
She has actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lala, please.
1,
No, 1 minute.
Lala.
Lala.
Yeah, yeah. Now,
Just do that. Yes.
1,
Oh
2,
wow.
3.
wow.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, you must keep it like.
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Put it down.
wearing mask.
Ma'am, you are very beautiful.
It's not about like but the looks and all.
Yeah.
She is
yeah.
beautiful.
She is very pretty.
Yeah. She is our beauty queen, our beauty princess. You can say anything. Yeah. Let's give a big hand for Lala. Yay. For Praveen also. Yeah. All the way from Punjab. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
We welcome you in Aizawl.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Let's enjoy the party.
Say hi to the camera. Hi. Say hi to the camera.
सिंस इट वॉज वैलेंटाइंस डे तो मैंने सोचा कि रात को फेमस आइजॉल पीक रेस्टोरेंट चलते हैं, जिसके बारे में मैंने सुना था कि वहाँ से रात को आइजॉल का बहुत ज़बरदस्त व्यू दिखता है। स्कूटी ड्राइव करके अराउंड 30 मिनट्स में मैं रेस्टोरेंट पहुँच जाता हूँ। काफ़ी अच्छा एम्बियंस क्रिएट हो रखा था और मिज़ोरम के बहुत पॉपुलर सिंगर्स परफॉर्म करने आए हुए थे। दो मुझे मिज़ो लैंग्वेज नहीं आती, बट आई वॉज थॉरोली इंजॉइंग द मिज़ो म्यूज़िक। वैसे तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था, बट वहाँ पे सभी कपल्स थे, मैं ही वहाँ पे शायद अकेला बंदा था। सो एक ये थॉट भी आ रहा था कि यार काश